Ask the Pyrenees is the only segment on YouTube where my three fluffy mutts, George Paisley, Alfred Pennyworth, and Cody Barrow, answer your questions with sarcasm, wit, wisdom, and a whole lot of pure attitude. Expect answers with honest opinions, zero mechanical knowledge, and a whole lot of pure attitude that only my three fluffy Pyrenees can hand out. We might even hear from Guido. Ooh, we mentioned Guido again. Hopefully she won't get upset I'm mentioning her. She's become quite a celebrity on my videos. We did a small short video and it got thousands of views. Had a good time with that. But I think we're going to need to maybe warn the pups not to mess with her too much. She might get mad at them. George, I'm not too worried about. Guido is George's favorite person. When we go on walks or Guido comes over and says hello, she is just the happiest wiggly Pyrenees you have ever come across. In fact, we call her El Gato Jorge Cashmere, George Paisley the cat. And she will just wiggle around and go in between Denise's or Guido's legs. And she just loves Guido. So I don't think George is going to have a problem. But Alfred and Cody Barrow, we'll let them know not to be too hard on her.